Alright, so today we're going to check out how to make dotted matrix text here in After Effects. Now this is going to be inspired from that analog clock, and I did manage to reproduce that in After Effects. Alright, so for the artboard size, I'm going to go with 1080p, 30 frames per second, 5 second, click OK. And for the font, I chose a Railway semi-bold. Now what we're going to need to do is right click here, go to New, select Solid. This is going to be the background. Let's go and make it black. Click OK. And bring the background under the text. Let's select the layer with the text. And then from here, we're going to right click here. Let's go to New. And we're going to select the adjustment layer. Bring the adjustment layer on the top. This is going to be the effects. So let's go to the effects and presets. We're going to search for CC ball action. And bring the CC ball action on the effects layer. So what we're going to need to do here is I'm going to decrease the ball size. I'm going to go with like 45. And then let's go and increase the grid spacing. Probably gonna go with 18. You also can change up the coloring from medium to crisp. You also can add some glow. Let's double click on that. It's gonna jump under the CC ball action. And here you can mix up the glow intensity and whatnot. I'm gonna add just a little bit right now. You also can duplicate it, press Ctrl D. And the second glow, I'm gonna increase the intensity of it. Then decrease the glow threshold maybe. Increase that. So it's going to decrease it. I'm going to go to 100%. I'm also going to increase the other one maybe. Yeah. Now, but at least we're going to animate this. So let's go to the text. Let's select the text layer, open it up. And here we got the animate. Click on that and select character offset. Let's bring this up. First, let's go to the character offset. I'm going to press and hold Alt. Click on the stopwatch. And let's go and type in wiggle. Enter, and I'm gonna go with 420. Click somewhere here, hit play. So it's gonna animate it like that. Let's bring it back to the beginning. And here, let's go to the range selector 1, open it up. Let's go to the offset, hit play. Make sure it's on 0. And for example, I'm gonna go to the first second and then increase it to 100%. So if you bring it back, hit play, it is gonna reveal itself. I'm gonna bring the work area somewhere here. So it's gonna loop itself. So pretty much that's it. This is how I make it. Thanks for watching.